you've been following this series, you have already created your Rumble account in our previous video, and the next step is for us to verify the account we created. But here is where a lot of creators, especially those of us in Nigeria and across other African countries, hit the wall. You open your verification page, you enter your phone number, you wait for the code, and nothing comes up. You start wondering if the platform even works in your country. Well, Rumble currently does not support phone numbers from many African countries for the verification. So it's not your phone number, it's not your network. The platform simply does not recognize phone numbers from the African countries yet. The first thing we need to do is to get ourselves an international phone number, and we are going to use an app called Numero eSIM to do that. Open your App Store if you are on iPhone or your Play Store if you are on Android. Search for Numero eSIM and download it. Once it's downloaded, go ahead and open it up. When it's open, swipe right until you see the account creation screen and tap on it. Click the arrow to select your country. Enter your phone number and make sure it is correct because they are going to send you a verification code to that particular number. After that, click confirm. If you made a mistake, click edit to correct it, then click confirm again. Once you are inside the app, tap on phone numbers, then tap mobile numbers. Then select United States. Now, it's going to ask you to choose a plan. You will see options for 1 month, 3 months, or 1 year. Since we just need this number once for verification purposes, go ahead and select 1 month plan. Click it and then click continue. It will bring you back to the previous screen. Make sure you can see the green tick showing that your plan has been selected successfully. Then click buy. Now, at the time I'm recording this video, the cost is around 4.99 euro. Which is approximately around 7,000 naira if you're from Nigeria. Prices may be slightly different by the time you are watching this video, but it should be around that range. Click confirm and then choose your payment method. You can pay using a MasterCard, Visa card, Apple Pay, or even through the App Store. Enter your correct email address. Make sure the email address is correct because you will receive a verification code on that email. If you are still here and you haven't subscribed, please kindly do that. And also give this video a thumbs up. It will help you to reach other people who are also facing this same issue. Thank you very much. After that, click buy. Fill in your card details. And once your payments get through successfully, you now have your international number. Go back to the home screen of the app. Swipe right to tap my product. Then tap my numbers. You will see your new US number sitting right there. Keep this open because we are going to need it in just a moment. The verification on Rumble cannot be done through the main Rumble app, okay? We need to do it through the website. So open your browser on your phone or switch to your laptop, whichever method feels more comfortable for you, and go to rumble.com. Click the first link. Then tap the 3-dotted line in the top right corner of the page. Click sign in, enter your username and your password, and click sign in. Once you're on the home page of Rumble app, tap the menu icon. Normally, we are supposed to see the account verification link here, but because Rumble has moved things around, we are going to use another route, okay? Just in case this method doesn't work for you or your interface changed, please let me know in the comment section. Now go ahead and tap on your profile image icon at the top right corner. Tap on account settings. Now tap on the menu icon. Then under account settings, you will find verification option. Click it. This part is very important, so please pay attention. You will be asked to select your country. Please make sure you choose United States, not Nigeria, not your own country, okay? United States. Because the number we just got from Numero is a US number and it needs to match what you are entering, okay? Remember the number we just bought? Go ahead and enter it in this text box, okay? That is when the code will be sent to. Then click text me. So if you go back to Numero app, you will get a notification code waiting for you there. So copy it and come back to Rumble. Paste the number in this verification field and click Verify Code. However, I know you might want to try the free options. Free services like Google Voice, Text Now, Text Free are being blocked because platform can instantly detect they are virtual numbers and not real carriers numbers. On top of that, free app often give you recycled number that have already been used by someone else before, which means Rumble system may reject them immediately. So my honest advice is this: spend just small amount on the paid service. Get it done correctly the first time and save yourself the frustration of trying free options that may not even work. Just my opinion though, but just go with whatever options works for you. Just like that, your Rumble account is fully verified. That problem that stops so many creators is now completely solved. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and turn on all post notifications so you don't miss the next video where we'll be talking about how to set up your payment. And until next time, bye!